My name is Andres. I'm going to talk self-esteem. And I choose this topic because I think it's important to get a happiness life or successful life. It's important for everyone to get a better life. And I was thinking when I came here in this country, I never forget my mother when I came here. She always tried to get a self-esteem, a good self-esteem. Uh, I make a good self-esteem. So I always remember that. She told me, and so you have to get a better person you have now and working on it and build you better life. So that's why I choose this topic. And what is self-esteem? Self-esteem it is a confidence or satisfaction about yourself. And it's believing in yourself. It's believing in your abilities. It's believe what you do, and what you do, you're doing well. So that's self-esteem. It's, when you see in that picture, is yes, yes, I can, yes, I did. And so I would like you to read these questions and think about it. What do I think about myself? What do I want in my life? What I can do to be the person I want to be? And that's a common question. And sometimes we ask ourselves, and sometimes we don't know the answer because we don't know exactly what we are, or we don't know exactly what we had to do or receive or give. That's why we get a trouble when you go to an interview job and you don't know exactly what we have to offer the people you have the work or the job. So that's why I would like to suggest three easy steps to get a happiness and to get a good self-esteem. The first one is letting go the past. Let it go the past. What does that mean? Let it go the past is the past plays a very important part in our life. So when you think about your bad experience or your past experience, you maybe feel bad, but you have to learn from them and try to get the best thing you get from that bad experience. And and don't let that bad experience block your future. So that's letting go the past. The second one is think positive. Talk positive and feel positive. So first of all, accept how you are now. And let know people you are able to receive or give or offer that make a good atmosphere around you. And when you get a good atmosphere around you, you might change and you might think different. So that's the second one. And the third one is make a plan and set your goals. So, and make a plan. Try to think about your life and make a note about the areas need attention and working on that areas and look your progress every day and change everything you have to change. I think in that way we get a successful life, and I think you guys get a good message from that speech. Thank you.